Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to CAUAYAN Airport. Crew Captain Sartala and First Officer Ethan, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved. Passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
For guests